5 Best Steam Cleaner for Carpets and Upholstery Reviews. Number 1. Hoover PowerDash Pet Carpet Cleaner. This steamer is a high-quality item from the Hoover production company. It is a powerful, lightweight carpet cleaner that leaves your floor spotless. Drying is fast thanks to the heat force power. The machine is great in eliminating pet messes that can be uncomfortable on your floor. For easy cleaning, it features separate dual tanks, and that separates your dirty water from clean water. In addition to that, the low-profile foot helps you to remove stains anywhere without any issue. Hoover Best Carpet and Upholstery Steam Cleaners feature a compactor and lightweight design which eases its portability and management. It is a portable cleaning tool with a tank size of up to 51 ounces. The machine weighs up to 9 pounds, which is a manageable load. Other than that, the machine is ready to use after purchase since it doesn't require any assembly. Number 2. Dupray 1 Steam Cleaner. Are you looking for the best steam cleaner for carpets and upholstery? If your answer is a nod, then this product from Dupray is the ultimate product to purchase. It combines style, comfort, and functionality. As a result of that, the machine looks great, it is easy to use and most importantly, operates effectively. Get one of these steamers today for an excellent performance. Dupray steamer features a black and white construction which easily grabs the attention of a lot of people. This chemical-free product is perfect in cleaning, disinfecting, deodorizing, greasing, and sanitizing different surfaces. As a result of that, you can choose your ultimate working surface as per your preference. Number 3. Rug Doctor Mighty Pro. This product is a high-quality steam cleaner for carpets and upholstery from the Rug Doctor production company. It is a multi-feature product that comes with an oxy steam solution and stain remover. They are great for different kinds of floors, upholstery, and carpets. With this product, you can comfortably achieve professional cleaning in your house and office. Purchase the cleaning tool today for an amazing experience. Rug Doctor Steamer is a powerful cleaning tool that combines style and functionality. As a result of that, the machine not only looks great but also operates effectively. It is well built to eliminate built-in stains and dirt from your carpets and upholstery. The machine features a compact design which eases its management and storage. Number 4. mcculloch MC 1275 Heavy Duty Cleaner. Getting the best steam cleaner for carpets and upholstery is not a bed of roses. Why is that? The main reason why it is hard to figure out the best product is thanks to the many varieties of cleaning tools in the market today. As a result of that, you are often in a dilemma of what exactly to purchase. However, mcculloch Steamer is the ultimate product to purchase today for indoor cleaning. It leaves most floors spotless and eliminates old stains. In addition to that, it is readily available at an affordable price. Make floor cleaning bigger and better with this product. Number 5. Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe Carpet Cleaner. This product is yet another cleaning tool for carpets and upholstery from the Hoover production company. The dual nozzle delivers an adequate suction that removes stains and dirt from surfaces evenly and quickly. Purchase one of these machines today at an affordable price for an amazing experience. Hoover Steamer features a compact and lightweight design to ease its operation. Its design is simple but operational. Each product weighs up to 19 pounds. A full pack comes with a crevice tool, upholstery tool, sample bottle of solution and stir tool.